until I started editing it and seeing I actually didn't do intro. So hey you guys, welcome to my run around vlog. Basically this will be, I don't know what I'm gonna call it, but it's gonna be that type of vlog. Like we just basically run around. So like shopping, it's 4th of July, and it's just a bunch of stuff like that. But before you watch, just make sure to go to my page and click this video of my new video that just came out. It is 45 minutes, but it's guaranteed to watch. I love my video. But yeah, so enjoy the video.
Oh girl, you show me love. When my soul be telling me to put my pride to the side, and when I cry these tears of blood, you know the Lord been telling me to put my head to the sky. I wish it was just us. I can never say it. Yeah, too much, too much. And when I tell you that I need you, just know I don't need too much, too much. And when I said I wanna leave you, just know I was doing too much, too much. I forever wanted me and you, cause I love you too much. And I was trying to love you like I'm supposed to. I did a lot of shit that I wasn't supposed to. Wish I could tell you that I'm done and that shit old news. It's like it make everything better when I hold you. And we was raining in the stars. I did like lose you, girl, you my heart. And just remember you a star. And let them know you don't need me, girl, you the one.
I stayed down from day one, so I say fuck all y'all niggas, except my niggas. Fuck all y'all niggas, except my niggas. One more time, fuck all y'all niggas, except my niggas. Fuck all y'all niggas. Stayed down from day one, so I say.
Man, this shit so ill that we had to restart it. H time on second home like I'm James Harden. Money counter go brrr when you starting at the garden. 4 car garage, 4 on the Birdman go brrr cause he know the shit retarded. Fuck on the floor before we make it to the bed. So what your ass really cost started from the bottom, yes lord. OVO Sam, man, I'm proud of my niggas. Knew that we would make it, never doubted my niggas. All my bitches love me. If I had a baby mama, she would probably be richer than a lot of you niggas. Hey, that's luxury.
So y'all, I'm currently at JD and I found these cute little hood shorts. These are so cute. Like, I love these so much. And you know my socks, they're really dirty. I set them wet if I got here, but these are really cute.
Luxury dog. Day one niggas been stuck with me, dog. Ever since you two niggas been calling me the leader of the new school. Fuck with me, dog, yeah.
No new friends, no new friends, no new friends, no no. Still here with my day one niggas, so you hear me say no new friends, no new friends, no new friends, no no. I still ride with my day one niggas, I don't really need no new friends, no new friends, no new friends, no no. I stayed down from day one, so I say fuck all y'all niggas, except my niggas.
Okay guys, so this is day 3 of Summer Diaries. You know my cousin coming in the background, but I did my hair. My edges actually look good. But yeah, I did my hair. I got a cute little bow in the back. I got this cute little shirt and this skirt board with a little small face. I just got earbuds in and I got some flip flops on. So got a little bracelet right here, a little right here. And my cousin, she's at there, but it is gonna be hot, so I did bring a fan. So I'll see y'all when we get there.
October's on, but it's looking like July 4. I just wish they let you try it first. This time I'm really going off. Fireworks.
Today it begins. I've missed them before, but won't miss them again. I keep having the same dream, and I think that I just realized what.
Okay, so hey guys, I don't know if I've said hey yet for my summer vlog, but yeah, the queen is back. But we just went to Walmart and stuff like that, and yeah, I basically, you know, we got like a little bit of stuff. Like, it wasn't necessarily anything, but I don't know if I'm gonna put this in my back to school vlog or not. But we also, when we went there, we went to H&M and we got this right here. This is so cute. Also got some more stuff, but I think I'm gonna just put all that in like my back to school haul, so that way like it remains a mystery of what we got or whatever. But yeah, we went to Walmart and stuff like that, and the hair store. But I'm gonna show y'all what we got from Walmart. So put y'all down. Okay. So from Walmart, we got these hangers. They're plastic. They're like really durable plastic. It comes with 10. So I'm gonna just like stack my stuff on each one because yeah, I might have should have got like 40, but to each his own. next I got a storage bin for our bathroom stuff, something like that, so that way me and my cousin can like separate our stuff and gain privacy. I'm gonna give this to her. This is her mousse that she got. Now we got 2 different mousses because I hear stuff about this one. She got this one right here, if y'all wondering. Both of them are alcohol free, so. But yeah, I'm gonna get that back to her. I didn't even mean to bring it in here. And then y'all, I found this cute Chanel necklace. Like, this is too cute. I'm actually about to put it on right now because this is tea. This is really cute. I don't know, I might not put it on right now. I might put it on later. And then I got some edge control because I already wanted some. Well, I didn't want some, I needed some. And she got eyeliner. She got brown eyeliner. Okay. And then I got this is the lip gloss that she got. And then here's her brown lip liner. I would have got lip gloss, but I don't really wear lip gloss. I wear Vaseline, so yeah. But I got this right here. It got like a sharp tip. I think I got the one with sharp tip, yeah. And it goes on really good, so that's my lip liner. So that's all I got from the hair store, and that's what we got from Walmart. But yeah, I don't know. I think we're supposed to go to the Walmart next week, y'all. So yeah, this vlog will probably be up next week, not really this week, because we ain't really doing that like that. We're just doing like 4th of July, so yeah. But I'm probably going, I don't know, I'll probably do like a 4th of July vlog, so that way I ain't gonna include it in here. But yeah, so. And by the time it's come out, my blog that I posted, my what's it called? My try on haul, it'll already be out. So I mean, it's already out now. Now it's 45 minutes, y'all. So that's the longest video I've ever released. All of them usually like around 20 minutes and stuff like that. So yeah, but I'll see y'all when I come back. So hey guys, I'm back. So this is really just gonna be a voiceover because I didn't necessarily film an outro, but this is day 3. No, this is day 5. This is day 5. We went to Sephora. This was like, I think we had 8 at Outback or something like that. We had 8 at Outback, and then we had went here or whatever, Sephora. I literally just needed a lip liner, and next thing I know, I was getting face mask and everything. But this right here, this sunscreen is the best sunscreen, hands down. I'm telling you, for my black girl, it's just the best sunscreen ever. It comes in a bigger thing, but I love all of them. Next, we had game night the same night. But my nana, she accidentally got Scrabble, so yeah. We were trying to figure out how to play this game. So if y'all know how to play Scrabble, Monopoly, let me know in the comments below. Because, yeah, I didn't know how to play that. But next, this was like the next day. And we had went to Walmart. And we literally just went there for a game. No, this was the same night. Because we needed to go for a game. Because, yeah, that was Scrabble just wasn't working out. And we wanted to have a family game night. So, this is the first time I ever been to Walmart in pajamas. And I was trying to hula hoop. I don't got it. So, I just gave up. But when we got home, I finally got the right thing. We got Uno. And this lasted, I'm telling y'all, it was the funniest game ever. It lasted for like at least 30 minutes or something. Next we played Monopoly, and I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I was dogging up in there. I literally had a bunch of hotels right there. I had 2,000 in the corner. But this is day 7. Day 7, we went to my mall, and I saw True Religion. This is in Belks. I literally had True Religion. Now, it was only 30% off, and it was still full price. But these were very cute. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, these were very cute. I was thinking about getting some, but I couldn't really see myself wearing those to school. And I was trying to find a size 28. I couldn't find it. But next we went shoe shopping again because I did need some more shoes. I couldn't find nothing in Snipes, so I went to Cosmic Soul. I ended up finding some, but it was an issue with the shoes, so I ended up ordering mine online, which y'all will see that in my back to school haul. I will show that in there. So tell me in the comments below also if you want me to do a clothing haul or just do a whole back to school supplies haul and include clothes. So yeah, but my cousin, she ended up finding some cute shoes. Next, we did go to Applebee's, I think this is Applebee's. And I ended up getting these little baked potato things. Because I ended up hearing things about them. They weren't as good as they looked. I can tell you that. And then I got these scallop things. They were good. Next, I did like a face date or whatever, and that's pretty much the end of this vlog. Like, I didn't do anything much after that, but I definitely had a fun time running around. So I will see you guys in the next one.
I know you got all dressed up for the club.